Boy Alinko, Pa James, and Miss Pepeye, Papa AJASCO, Boy Alinko, Pa James, and Miss Pepeye. Parí ẹ̀ lápọ̀dọ̀ tiyín.
WALE ADENUGA production go make you laugh and laugh until you go forget your brain. Papa AJASCO, Mama AJASCO, Boy Alinko, Pa James, and Miss Pepeye.
Greetings to you all, wherever you're watching me from. Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi. Ẹ jẹ́ n sọ eléyìí tí ò bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gbẹ́ni ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ pé àgbà òṣèré adẹ́rìn-pẹ̀kẹ́ Abíọ́dún tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Abíọ́dún Richard Ayọ̀yínká tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Papa AJASCO. Ẹ wo ọlọ́gbọ́n lọ̀rọ̀ mi lè yé lónìí nítorí mo kàn fẹ́ yànnàná nǹkan mẹ́ta mi ò ní pẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. I will go straight to the point about what really I can figure out from what happened to Papa AJASCO, Abíọ́dún Richard Ayọ̀yínká. Firstly, popularity is not success. To some people, it may work for you that popularity has bring success for you. Popularity has brought success for you, or popularity has been something you use to brag right now. But your popularity, how has it been effective to your life? That is why I said popularity is not success. Kí èèyàn gbajúmọ̀ kò túmọ̀ sí pé èèyàn á jẹ́ ẹni tí yóò dá fún lókè rúpẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo ọ̀rọ̀ Papa AJASCO. Kódà Papa AJASCO nígbà ayé wọn nínú àwọn eré àgbéléwò lọ́sọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ tá a máa ń wò yẹn, Papa AJASCO, mi ò tí ì rí ẹni tó popular tó Papa AJASCO ní ìgbà náà tá a bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa WALE ADENUGA production. Àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ló jẹ́ kí n wá rò ó dé wípé with all his fame, with all his popularity, kódà Ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu nígbà kan wọ́n fún ẹni tí ń ṣe kódà Ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu wọ́n recognize Papa AJASCO nígbà kan tí wọ́n lọ sí ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó. Wọ́n ní láti recognize Papa AJASCO just because àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣe nígbà náà. Níbo ni popularity yẹn dé látìgbà tí wọ́n ti fi ẹ̀yìn tì lẹ́nu iṣẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ di mímọ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò pé àwọn èèyàn yìí wọ́n popular, wọ́n ṣe gbá kan, wọ́n ṣe tàmẹ̀dò. Kì í ṣe bó ṣe rí nìyẹn o. Ohun tó wà lẹ́yìn ọ̀fà ó ju èje lọ. Ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ tí Papa AJASCO ṣe ó yànnàná so many things, life of a star. Àwọn kan tó yẹ ká mọ̀ nípa ìgbésí ayé àwọn ẹni wọ̀nyí. Nítorí a kò gbọ́dọ̀ máa fi bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ ká máa fi judge wọn. Life of a star is not easy. I mean, it's not easy. So if you are aspiring to become popular, have it at the back of your mind that popularity is not success. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi yẹn lẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ sí the next one. Try to register your originality. Try to trademark what you know that you are the pioneer of it. Àwọn nǹkan tó mọ̀ wípé ó jẹ́ tiẹ̀. Nítorí ayé tá a wà yìí, ẹ wo nǹkan tí WALE ADENUGA ṣe. He trademark that identity of Papa AJASCO. He trademark that program. Papa AJASCO gan sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ pé òun ò lè lọ síbi ayẹyẹ nítorí àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n pè òun síbi ayẹyẹ yìí wọ́n fẹ́ rí the actual Papa AJASCO tí àwọn máa rí, but àwọn ò lè ṣe nítorí ó jẹ́ èyí tí wọ́n fi orúkọ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Wọ́n ti fi orúkọ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ó ti jẹ́ trademark ti WALE ADENUGA. Papa AJASCO kò lè lò anyhow. That is one thing I just want you to know. Tó bá mọ̀ wípé you have this originality, you have this creative, before it's too late, try hard. Even though if it is your business, try to make sure you registered it. Try to trademark everything you do. Not just because of today. Torí ọ̀la ni. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Papa AJASCO. Tó bá jẹ́ mo sure wípé tó bá jẹ́ wípé WALE ADENUGA kò trademark identity Papa AJASCO yẹn ni, a lot of things would have happened. with that identity. Mi sọ pé Papa Ajasco máa lò lọ́nà tí ò dá o, but just imagine what that name Papa Ajasco would have done to his life. And imagine. So you that you are watching me right now, in anything you are doing, just make sure o trademark kìíní yìí torí ọ̀pọ̀ oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn ló ti wá ń ta ló fẹ́ query, ta ló fẹ́ gbé lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Even though your own original work, you will see it out there. O ní lè ṣe kankan sí nítorí you failed to trademark it in the first place, because you failed to register it in the first place. And that is why I want you to understand. Trademark. You have to trademark everything you do right now. Look at what happened to Papa Ajasco. Everyone got to share see. WALE ADENUGA make sure it trademark all his program. Òun ló fà á tí Papa Ajasco kò sì lè ṣe bó ṣe wù ú pẹ̀lú identity Papa Ajasco. Abiodun Richard Ayoyinka. So I don't want to say so much on that. Ẹ̀yin ọlọ́gbọ́n, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, just make sure you pick something meaningful from this podcast.
So what will you be remembered for? The guy that popularized it, but another person legally owns it. This is an unending mistake amongst creatives. Trademarking that name you're building is a lifetime investment you can never regret. Business owners and individuals pray for protection against enemies, but fail to tie loose ends that's most important for their legacy. Papa Ajasco was a very unique name for a character on a TV show. It was so popular that someone had to legally protect it from being dubbed or used by others who may have cited the long-term economic benefits that is tied to it. This was a smart move by WALE ADENUGA production team, who did not sleep on the potentials of that particular name. In this case, Mr. Abiodun Richard, who played the character Papa Ajasco, wasn't the one that trademarked it. As a result, Mr. Abiodun, who is the face of the name, cannot use that name unless he receives express written consent from the legal owner, WALE ADENUGA. This is another reminder to learn from others. It's one thing to register your business with Corporate Affairs Commission. It's another to protect that unique name, logo, slogan from being used in your industry by another person through trademarking it. Many creatives have contracts with labels, management, and are allowing their labels to outsmart them. This is a time bomb waiting to blow up in the faces of these creatives. If you don't trademark it, someone will, and you will be sued or served with a letter to cease and desist. Legacies are no longer physical assets. They are now in the form of transferable intellectual properties. Pay attention.
And also, this is not the time to blame anybody. Mo rí right up yẹn tó yẹ pé wọ́n sọ pé owó tí Papa Ajasco kan gbà nígbà náà, owó yẹn ò tó nǹkan ti 2026. That is life for you. That is life for you. It's you. Before they use you, use your head. Use your brain. Ibi tí WALE ADENUGA lè lo tiẹ̀ dé ló fi lò yẹn. Ẹ wo bó ṣe lo Papa Ajasco. Tó wà lè sọ bóyá owó tí wọ́n rí nígbà náà kò pọ̀ dáadáa àbí but ẹni tí ó mú fíìmù wá fún program Papa Ajasco yẹn, you need to take good care of him. Like I said earlier, àsìkò yìí kọ́ la máa di ẹ̀bi lé anybody lórí. Let's help Papa Ajasco. Abiodun Richard Ayoyinka, let's help him. Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn pé àwọn èèyàn kan ti ń dìde, wọ́n ti ń ran Papa Ajasco lọ́wọ́, but that is not enough. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún Papa Ajasco. Wọ́n mẹ́nu bà project kan níbi ètò ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ yẹn, that ṣùgbọ́n torí kò sí agbára ni àwọn ò ṣe lè tẹ̀síwájú pẹ̀lú àwọn kan wọ̀nyí. Please, ẹ jẹ́ ká ran Papa Ajasco lọ́wọ́. Let's remember then tí wọ́n máa ń fi ìdùnnú àti ayọ̀ sílé oníkálukú. Kò sẹ́ni tí àmọ́ ò lè sọ bóyá àwọn Gen Z yìí wọn ò mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ Papa Ajasco. Orin tí mo fi wọlé yẹn mi mọ̀ sure bóyá wọn understand it, but this is not the time to blame anyone. Àwọn èèyàn kan tí àwọn ń bú Papa Ajasco ń pe Papa Ajasco náà kò ṣe dáadáa nígbà òye kòun náà ti fight fún ara ẹ̀. WALE ADENUGA náà kò ṣe dáadáa tó, ó ti rólé apá kan dá apá kan sí.
Why will you make such a man regret ever working with you? How can you license a role that a man played to build you? How can you license a role that a man played that gave you a name? How can How can you make a particular role that will change that man's life, that will make him ever remembering working for you, that will make him ever worship working for you, a very disgusting one? Do you know that this man said that WALE ADENUGA licensed Papa AJASCO, the name that this man played for the past 15 years of his life? The name this man played Papa AJASCO for the past 15 to 20 years of his life. And WALE ADENUGA, because he's the producer, he licensed the name. That this Papa AJASCO cannot use this name elsewhere. That is keeping this man stagnant. That is what is keeping him in one place. That is the reason why he has no house of his own. That is the reason why he has no car of his own. I watched that interview. I wept. That how can a human being do such a wicked act, an abominable act to a fellow human being? How can you license a name that you know very well that will take that man far? The man said he cannot use Papa AJASCO in an open bar. He cannot go for a show. That many companies called him for a show. Many big hotels called him for a show. He cannot come out and brag and say, I am Papa AJASCO. He cannot use the costume. He cannot come out. If you call him Papa AJASCO on the road, he will tell you to stop calling him that. That name is not his name. That his name is licensed. That if he uses his name, that name, aside from playing the role for you on your production, that you're going to arrest him. That the name is already licensed to you. Hey! WALE ADENUGA. WALE ADENUGA. If whatever thing that man said in that interview, I would have put some clips of that interview in this video. But I'm that person that don't like collecting clips of people's video. But I wept when watching that interview. I cried. Allah Warum. I cried. Do you know opportunities you've closed for that man? Do you know how much that man would have made with that name? Guys, you guys need to go and watch this interview. How can you be this name, WALE ADENUGA? Why will you license the name? Why will you make the name yours? The money when you get never do? What's happen? Now you get Super Story, now you get this life, now you get Papa AJASCO, now you get Binta and Friends, now you get Binta School. What is it? I want to know.
Law. Let's try to bring Papa AJASCO up back. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàgbé orúkọ yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rántí Abiodun Richard Ayoyinka, popularly known as Papa AJASCO then. Ẹ tún gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Papa AJASCO. Don't let us blame anybody. Don't let us blame anybody. Try your possible best to help me share this. Let's let it go far so that someone can help Papa AJASCO. This is the only way I can use to help Papa AJASCO. Please, don't forget Bimoshe Pere. Popularity is not success. And for everything that you know, you are the originator. It is your own idea. It is your creativity. Try to trademark it. Try to register it, even though if it is a business, try to register it. It is very, very important. And also, this is not the time to blame anyone. Let us help Abiodun Richard Ayoyinka, Papa AJASCO. Veteran actors.
This truth about Papa AJASCO is going to make a lot of Nigerians uncomfortable. Nigerians, this is why they call us emotional. Now, there's a video of Papa AJASCO trending, and people are bashing WALE ADENUGA because of it. Papa AJASCO said that WALE ADENUGA does not allow him to use the character Papa AJASCO. He said the character, even the name Papa AJASCO, has been trademarked. So, because of that, he's unable to make money from it, apart from just acting in WALE ADENUGA's productions. Now, he said that a lot of the time that people want to invite him for shows, and because he's not permitted to use that character and the name, it affects him from making money from it. Now, he's broke. He has started from the 9 to 5 that he's doing. Now, Nigerians are dragging WALE ADENUGA because of this. But the truth is that WALE ADENUGA created this idea. He created the character. He trademarked it. Papa AJASCO was just an actor. He invited to come and act the character. And that was why even when Papa AJASCO left the show at some point, he was able to use other actors to replicate the role of Papa AJASCO. However, where I have a problem with the whole thing is that his salary was very low. For 6,000 naira or thereabouts. I think WALE ADENUGA can do better. I mean, this is a man that has helped you to make money over the time, pay your people, pay them handsomely. You can take a cue from the likes of Tyler Perry, who are doing a lot to help actors in Hollywood. So this is not encouraging. This is a slap on the creatives. Now, here's where we need to show the love that we claim that to have for Papa AJASCO. If you really love Papa AJASCO, then it's not about talking. Let's go to his page. Let's go and support him. He said that he now has his own idea, his own character that he has created. It's called Jency Papi. Let's show that we love him. Let's share it. Let's view it. Let's repost it. Whatever you can do to help, let's help him. And I think there is a GoFund for him right now. We can also support.
And also, this is not the time to blame anyone. Let us help Abiodun Richard Ayoyinka, Papa AJASCO. Ó máa ń ṣe mí lọ́pọ̀, ó máa ń kọ́ mi lóminú lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà tí bá rí àwọn veteran actors tí ó wá di pé wọ́n suffer lásìkò tó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ó máa ń bá fún mi gan. Bí ti àwọn mélòó ni mo fẹ́ ka yín náà mọ̀ wọ́n, ṣùgbọ́n please let us do the needful. Don't blame anybody on this part of Papa AJASCO. Just let's do the right thing by helping him back to the limelight. Wọ́n ti dàgbà jù láti jẹ́ celebrity tí ìlú á mọ̀ táyà gbọ́. If this is your first time, don't forget to like, comment and share your thoughts at the comment section lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Papa AJASCO, Wale Adenuga àti gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ trademark yìí. Please, till next time, God bless. Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. Ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. Èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. Èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.